So did a beginning cleanup of the garage. Garage had all that stuff was everywhere, so just imagine that every place in the barn. They tried to insulate it. I did half of it. They insulated all of it. They just didn't put up the wood. Hold it up there. But anyways, that is the situation there. So I thought I'd give you a chance to see some of this process here of what I'm working on now, which is trying to clean the cracks. So everything at this point is pretty slow going, but I'll give you a quick little look at this. This is a little tool I found. I have no idea. It's like a little scraper or something, but I taped it onto my pole here. And what I'm doing is, this is good because I can just put it right into the cracks and get anything that's kind of stuck down in the cracks. As you can imagine, there's a bit of that. So a little darker in the room I'm working on. I've already finished this room, gone through it and kind of swept it up, so it's getting closer. And I finished the hallway there. Most of that, still gotta go mop everything and get rid of it. So this room here, so if you look at that side, you can see what it's gonna look like when you dig it up. So I basically go through each crack, drag it in, and then I give it a chance so I can get it all out of there and sweep it up. Otherwise, I don't want to leave that in there, obviously. So, figured I'd give you a chance to see the process in real time here. So I'm working on this room here. Rid of this. See me? So basically, what I've been doing is just kind of running this little hole, this little thing inside of the cracks, running it all the way down, taking everything out of it. And I just go to the next crack and do the same thing. Exactly. Get rid of it in the garbage over there. So. In a slow process today. I did get that garage finished up, but this is taking time. I just got to figure out how to seal this whole thing, get everything out of here, get it so it doesn't smell, and we can start working on some real stuff. So that's the process, digging out the cracks. Yeehaw. Aren't you glad you're not me? Have a great day. Alright, quick walkthrough today. Just, this room here is a lot cleaner than it was. Still stuff to get off of here, but they're getting there. I'm gonna mop these rooms tomorrow. Try to get as much of the old stuff that's left out of there. I just mopped the kitchen just for the heck of it. Although I'm probably gonna tear up these tiles, but it looks better. Got rid of that stinky refrigerator. So we're getting there. Ways to go, but nice day. Good time to end. Hope you all have a great day. There's that refrigerator. Oh yeah, and I showed you the garage earlier, but that is all at least shoved into the middle. All right, later.